Did you know there's a simple kitchen ingredient that can make your plants grow insanely fast and keep pests away at the same time? Stick around till the end, because the results of this natural trick will absolutely shock you. No chemicals, no expensive fertilizers, just a secret powder that's probably sitting in your spice rack right now. Yes, I'm talking about ginger powder. You heard that right. Ginger isn't just great for your health or making tea. It can also supercharge plant growth, boost root development, and protect your plants from pests and fungal infections, all in one go. Now let's talk about how to use it. There are two incredibly simple methods, and both are super effective. Method 1. The direct sprinkle. Just take a small amount of ginger powder and sprinkle it directly onto the soil around the base of your plants. About half a teaspoon per plant is enough. Do this once every 2 weeks. What this does is create a protective barrier that repels soil-borne pests like ants, aphids, and even certain fungi. Ginger contains natural anti-fungal and antibacterial compounds, which help disinfect the soil and keep unwanted bugs away. You'll also notice that the plants look healthier, perkier, and start growing faster than usual. Why? Because ginger powder also improves soil quality by encouraging the growth of beneficial microbes that help your plant absorb nutrients better. Method 2. The ginger tonic spray. Take 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and dissolve it in 1 liter of water. Mix it well and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then strain the solution and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray this directly on the leaves and stems of your plants once every 10 days. This acts as both a growth booster and pest repellent. It wards off common garden pests like whiteflies, mealybugs, and spider mites, while giving the plant a light nutrient boost that promotes lush green growth and better flowering. You'll be amazed. Within a few weeks, you'll start seeing new leaves, stronger stems, and fewer pest problems. All from a humble spoon of ginger powder. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more amazing natural gardening tricks.